What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Tank be Choppin, back with another video. And on this video, we're actually gonna be doing an unboxing, and we're gonna be unboxing the new Wahl Super Taper X. Let's get it. All right, guys, before we actually get into unboxing this new Wahl clipper, the Super Taper X, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to like this video, subscribe, comment down below, share with one of your friends, all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? I greatly appreciate it if you do that. But with that being said, man, let's go ahead and jump into me unboxing this clipper. And just FYI, guys, this video is just gonna be an unboxing. You know, I like to separate my videos now, so I'm just doing an unboxing on this right now. So yeah, man, let's go ahead and get into this video. All right, so check it out. Once again, here is the box, the new Wahl Super Taper X clipper. Take your skills to the next level. Shout out Wahl, man. Wahl's been putting in some work as well. Let's open this up. And then as you can see, we have the clipper inside of the box right there. But let's go ahead and get this clipper out of here, man. Check it out. Here is the clipper right here. We gotta take the bubble wrap off of here so we can actually see the box. Get that, throw that out the way. Check it out, man. The Super Taper X clipper. Check that out, man. Y'all know how Wahl does it with the packaging, man. Looks really good, looks really nice. Nice, sleek design. Super Taper X, a cord/cordless clipper. Stagger tooth T-blade blends and adds texture. High performance rotary motor, lightweight design. And then up here, it also says off scalp tapering and blending. So good for freehanding and stuff like that, right? Super Taper X blade, a patented stagger tooth blade, blends hair while simultaneously creating texture, delivering a softer finish. So it basically has this a similar, I don't want to say the same blade, but a real similar blade to the Magic Clip blade because it has, you know, a stagger tooth on it. So, you know, it's going to leave your blends looking a little softer. Unique T-shaped blade allows for more visibility when creating guidelines and refining details. So it's going to be good for detailing and stuff like that as well, right? So that's pretty dope, man. But check it out once again. Here is the box. Let's see how this clipper looks and what comes inside of the box. All right, as y'all can see, it says Wahl Professional right there. Let's go ahead and open this thing up so we can see. I'm a little excited, man. I'm a little excited for this. Sheesh. Okay, check it out. Y'all know how Wahl normally packages their clippers, man, but that's how it looks on the inside. Let's go ahead and get this clipper out of here. Check it out, man. Here is the clipper, the Wahl Taper, the Wahl Super Taper X. Feels really light, man. Feels really like a Magic Clip, honestly. But we got a different blade on there. Check that blade out. We got a fluid lever on there, on and off switch right here on the side. We got some nice grooves on the back, nice little thumb groove. Super Taper X on there. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all so y'all can hear it. So that is the clipper on. All right. Looks nice. As you can see, we have a hanging hook at the bottom of the clipper. And that's the blade, man. Like I said, it is a slightly different blade. We're gonna run it and see what it does, though. But check it out. Once again, here is the Wahl Super Taper X clipper. Let me hold it this way so y'all can get a better look of it. Give me a little thumbnail as well. Boom. Check it out, man. Looks dope, looks dope. I'm not gonna lie, I'm excited to use it. But let's see what comes in this box that's inside of the box. All right, so here is the other box. All right, check it out. So we get a set of guards in here, some white guards. So I'm assuming the guards may be different. I'm not sure if the same guards will fit on this clipper, but we have the guards. It might. We might be able to use regular Wahl guards on here or Wahl style guards on here, so that's dope. But this is the guards that it comes with. We got some white guards in here. Let's go ahead and open this up so we can see some of the guards. So here is the 1.5 guard. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that guard on the clipper real quick. Oh yeah, that's the 1.5 guard on the clipper. So yeah, you can actually just use regular Wahl guards because it does fit on top, as you can see, and then it snaps on the bottom. You do have a little bit of room right here, but as long as it's fitting on the very top of the blade and it snaps on the bottom, you'll be fine. So you can use regular guards with this. That's what I was kind of wondering. I was thinking like, man, did Wahl make us have to get a whole new guard system? But they didn't. They're allowing you basically to use, I don't want to say whatever guards, but like the Wahl style traditional guards that you have that fit on most clippers will fit on this clipper as well. So we got the guards. We also get a charger, as you can see. And then you know Wahl likes to send you their patented comb. I ain't gonna lie, man, I really like these combs. I be using them a lot. But we got a fade comb right there. And then we also get some oil and a brush. And then we get the pamphlet and stuff like that. But we don't ever really look at that. But let's go ahead and go back and look at the clipper one more time. The Wahl Super Taper X. I really like that color on it, man. Like that it's a different color than the other clippers. We got a nice, like metallic blue on there. We got the black on the sides. As you can see, we have like a traditional style lever for them. It's their typical style lever. Once again, that is the blade. I'm showing the blade a lot because I think that's what's gonna help. You know, it's gonna be something that's gonna make people either want this clipper or not want this clipper, right? That blade. So check that blade out. I think it's gonna be really good for detailing. But that is the Super Taper X clipper from Wahl. If y'all do want to purchase this clipper, guys, you can go to wahlpro.com. Use my discount code TANK15 on their website to save yourself some money. They are taking pre-orders. These are not out yet. They're just taking pre-orders. So if y'all want to pre-order it, go to wahlpro.com, discount code TANK15. But you know your boy's going to actually put together a review for this, a first thoughts. You know how I typically do my videos, right? So I'm going to use this. I really can't give y'all an actual first thought of this clipper because I haven't used it, but first impressions of the visual of this clipper, looks nice, looks like a magic clip, fits in the hand comfortably. I feel like I'll be able to use this all day and I ain't gonna have no issues, learning it. I think it's gonna work well, man, and I'm really excited to try this out. So once again, everything that comes in the box is the clipper. It does come with a blade cover that I took off earlier. We get the charging cord, we get all the guards we need. I want to say it's probably going to be like a 1/2 to an 8 because there's a lot of guards in here. We get their infamous fade comb, and then we also get the pamphlet and some oil. So that's basically all that you need with a clipper, right? So check it out, man, once again. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this clipper down in the comment section. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.